a summer where excessive rainfall has given the perfect conditions for moss to form on the lawn, scarification is going to be an important task to be completed this autumn. Failure to do so will result in weak grass growth and reduced grass cover, increasing the opportunity for weed seeds to germinate and reduce the lawn's tolerance to disease. Scarification is best completed after the application of a product containing iron sulfate, as you should never try and scarify active moss before it's been treated. Early September is the preferred period, as ground conditions should be favourable and coincides with the grasses remaining in growth, which will allow for the lawn to recover sooner. Prior to scarification, the lawn should be mowed at a lower height than normal. We'd recommend in the region of 15mm, as the shorter grass, the better the scarification and removal of the moss and organic matter. The scarifier needs to be set accordingly, as the blades need to be cutting just above the level of the material you need to remove. Where more than one pass of the scarifier is needed, you should complete the first pass and then clear the debris prior to completing a second pass, which should be done in an alternate direction to the first. Removing unwanted debris from the lawn surface through scarification is the only way of maintaining a strong and healthy lawn, and by completing the work now, it will allow the lawn to remain in a good condition through the winter months and prevent any unnecessary additional work come next spring.